An EDC knife is one of those things you don't think about until you're using it all the time. And a good one makes a difference. There are tons of options from budget to high-end, but the question is, does spending more really get you a better knife? To answer that, we spent time with two popular picks, the Benchmade Bugout and the Spyderco Delica 4. One's light and sleek, the other's tough and old school. Let's find out which one earns a spot in your pocket. When we first picked them up, the first thing we noticed was both of them are quite light. On paper, the numbers are a bit less than 2 ounces for the Bugout, and the Delica comes in at 2.5 ounces. When we put the Bugout in our pocket, it almost disappeared. And don't get us wrong, we didn't like that. We didn't feel the presence. So you might not get that confidence in your grip when you first hold it. Now, the Delica, though still light, has more presence. We could feel it inside the pocket and in our hand. We actually liked that. When using it, it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels like a solid tool, not something you're worried might fall apart. Though we liked the handle of the Bugout, which is made from Grivery. It looks sleek, modern, and sturdy, but the Delica's handle didn't give that vibe. It looks plastic, made from FRN. And even though the Grivery is also plastic, it doesn't look cheap. The Delica's handle is well-textured, grippy, and has a bit more shape to fit the hand. But side by side, yeah, you will feel the difference. To us, the Bugout definitely has better appeal. But when you actually hold them, it flips a bit. The Bugout's handle flexes under pressure. You'll feel it if you try to cut through something tough. It moves a bit. It doesn't break, but that doesn't feel super confidence-inspiring either. Now let's talk blades. Both these knives are sharp, no doubt. We put them to work and out of the box, both did fine. But over time, we started noticing some differences. The Bugout's got CPMS 30V steel. It's top-tier stuff, holds an edge for a good while, and handles slicing tasks well. But it becomes a bit of a headache once it starts to dull. It needs proper sharpening tools, and takes more time to get it back to razor sharp. But it holds its sharpness for a long time. And that's a win. The Delica, on the other hand, has VG10 steel. It's not as fancy, but it's a lot easier to sharpen. If you need to touch it up after a week or so of use, you can just grab a ceramic rod and get it sharp again in minutes. Sure, it won't hold an edge as long as S30V, but for people who don't want to mess with a lot of maintenance, VG10 is super forgiving. Then comes the blade shape. The Bugout has a slim drop point, which slices great, but if you try to twist it or dig into something tough, it feels like you're pushing your luck. The Delica also has their symbolic drop point shape, but it's a bit thicker with a full flat grind. It still slices clean, but it also feels a bit stronger when you're doing something rough. Let's move on to how it locks. So far, we've tried the Bugout's axis lock, and we kinda got hooked. It's just smooth. You flip it open with one hand and close it with the same hand. No effort. After a while, we found ourselves just clicking it open and shut, not even needing to use it. It's that fidgety. Now, with the Delica, it takes more pressure to close and it's not as fast to open. But once it locks in, it feels solid, like nothing's gonna budge. We actually started to appreciate that when using it outside, especially with cold fingers or damp hands. When it comes to carrying them, both are light enough to forget about in your pocket, but they carry differently. The Bugout has a deep carry clip, which is nice if you want to keep things subtle. But once you actually use it, that thin handle becomes more noticeable. The hollow feel? Yeah, it gets a bit annoying, especially when you're cutting through tougher materials, but the Delica isn't as slick with the deep carry clip, but it just feels more solid. The handle's thicker, the jimping's grippy, and it's more comfortable for extended use. It's the kind of knife you trust, even if it's not the flashiest. The Bugout costs around $200. It's light, sleek, and yeah, you're mostly paying for that premium steel in the Benchmade name. But when we pushed it harder, cutting through thicker materials or applying some pressure, that flexy handle made us second-guess things. As an EDC knife, it does its job, but for the price, we expected a bit more toughness. It looks fancy, Now, the Delica is about half the price of the Bugout. Still not cheap, but it feels like a solid investment. It's not flashy, but it's built to last. Easy to sharpen, feels sturdy in hand, and handles rough tasks without a hitch. It just gets the job done. No fuss, no complaints. At the end, Bugout's like that cool, lightweight knife you carry for clean and easy tasks. Delica's more of a no-nonsense tool. Not trying to impress, just ready to work. So, go for the Bugout. If you want sleek, fast, and featherlight, or the Delicas. If you want dependable, comfortable, and field-ready. So that was all about the Benchmade Bugout and the Spyderco Delica 4. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.